Guys, you need to be uploading to Facebook Reels. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to compare Facebook Reels to TikTok to Instagram Reels and show you why right now is a golden opportunity to upload and start getting traffic. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. We're going to talk about it all. Why Facebook Reels is the hot opportunity for today in 2022. I've done a study or ran a test for the last few weeks, last week I would say, and the results are going to be shocking, and we're going to break it all down. So make sure you watch this entire video, and once this video is over, start uploading to Facebook Reels. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it. Facebook Reels, if you don't know, it's the latest iteration of short format videos. It's designed to compete with TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and it's an indirect and direct competitor with Instagram. Instagram and Facebook are owned by the same company, Meta, and so it's actually kind of weird, and I've talked about this a few different times. Right now, Facebook Reels is so new that Instagram Reels are actually showing up in Facebook, and I'll show you exactly what that means and what that looks like. But more importantly, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to compare what I've done for the last week or so is I've uploaded a video to TikTok. And then once that video uploaded, I downloaded the TikTok video and then I uploaded it to Instagram, and then I also uploaded it to Facebook Reels, the exact same video. In fact, the videos that are on Instagram and Facebook, they actually have the TikTok watermark. I didn't go through the process of downloading it watermark free. And so we can actually see, and I'm going to show you in this video why Facebook Reels is the hot opportunity. Now, right now on my screen, you see my TikTok account. I have 41,000 subscribers. So you would think 41,000 subscribers would give me a decent amount of views automatically on autopilot. Okay, and I'll actually bring up Instagram here, and you're gonna see I'm not big on Instagram. If you've seen any of my videos, I don't talk about Instagram a lot just because it's not my preference. It's not for me. And so if we jump over to TikTok here, let's look at the profile. Instagram, let's look at the profile, and we're going to click on Reels here. You're going to see these are the exact same video. So first things first, let's compare Instagram and TikTok. As you can see here, I uploaded this video within the last 5 minutes, so we're not going to count that one. My last 4 or 5 videos, 11, 10, 8, 6, 11, 10, and 11. You can see that. On TikTok, we have this video, again, I just uploaded recently, 173, 177, 239, 184, 264, and 245. So obviously, I would continue to post on TikTok instead of Instagram because I get almost no traction whatsoever. But let's go ahead and compare. Hopefully you can see this. If not, I'll have to bring this in at a later when I do the editing. But right now on my Facebook Reels, and again, this is the Facebook competition to TikTok, you can see this video that I just uploaded 2 compared to TikTok has 3, but look at the one before, 192, 263, 797, 482, 225, 214, and 205. So, and the reason why this is important is I only have 30 Reels on Facebook, and I only have 2 followers, which I didn't even know that I could get followers until recently. It asked me to change my settings so that I could get followers from people that don't follow me or aren't friends with me. And so I changed that. I picked up a new follower yesterday. But as you can see, a relatively new platform, I'm getting more traction. I'm getting more views. When you look at my subscriber count, my view count, it's much more profitable for me to continue to create content on Facebook. And so it's actually really easy. Now, the weird thing with Facebook and Facebook Reels is that they only allow 30-second video. And so what actually happens is a lot of my videos are closer to 1 minute, between 55 and 59 seconds, is the last 40 some odd seconds of my video actually gets cut off. Now, if you look and you scroll through here, and if we compare this to what you're seeing on the screen, it's weird because I'm scrolling one way on one platform and the opposite way on the other. You can see I am getting pretty good views on Facebook Reels, and they're the exact same videos. I'm not doing anything different. I'm not going in and editing them. I'm not making any changes whatsoever. And so what I believe you guys should be doing is jumping on Facebook Reels before it becomes too saturated. And I'm just going to show you real quick once again. Whoops. Hopefully that's safe enough for work. But one thing that I want you to know is if it says public on the lower left-hand side, that means it was uploaded on Facebook. But if it says Instagram next to it, as you can see here on this one, it was pulled from Instagram and put onto Facebook Reels. And you're going to see this a lot if you are, if you're just getting started with Facebook Reels. As you can see, here's another one. And to do this is actually really easy. What you have to do is I'm going to click on my home feed. So this is what everyone sees when they log in. You can just click on this reel right here, and then you can click on this button right here to upload it. Hopefully, you click on this button here to upload. I'm just going to flip this around. As you can see here, you can either create a unique reel right by clicking this button, or you can upload it from Instagram or TikTok like I do. And so the cool thing with this, and this is where I think there's a stark advantage of between TikTok and Facebook, is let's say you find a reel. So let's say you're creating content showing people how to make money, and someone actually is interested in your content. What will happen is they can, let me find one that's actually created on, okay, so this one, for example, they can click on your icon of your face, and then they can message you, and they can also follow you. Again, hopefully you can see this, but you can see, people can follow you and they can direct message you. This is actually, in my opinion, a better way, because recently TikTok removed the ability or limited the ability for people to message people that aren't friends. That was a great way to build a following and build connection with people, where you could answer questions and then get them over to where they need to go. But recently, TikTok limit that. But what I've had people do is I've actually had people click on this here, and then now you can do messenger marketing if that's something that you're interested in, and you could potentially make money. What you could do too, or what I recommend that you do if you're going to pursue messenger marketing, is actually have a little script saved in your notes folder, and so then you can have these questions already written out, and then you can just copy them and ask them, and then you can start building that following that way, and then get people over where they need to go. But as you can see, in my opinion, this is a much better opportunity. A lot of these are coming directly from Instagram, and you can see this one is a public one that came from Facebook. Once again, you can click this follow button that's right here. I'll try and make this a little bit bigger so that you can see it. But I think right now, Facebook Reels is a much better opportunity, simply because you can see I'm getting much more traction, and we can see here. I'm just going to refresh this. I've already gotten 5 views on this video, but let's look at the most recent video that I created over here. 3 views. So as you can see in real time that Facebook Reels is going to give you much more traction, and I only have 31 Reels. I probably have close to maybe close to 1,000 videos over on TikTok. But you can see, in my opinion, Facebook Reels is the much better way to go. So what I would do if I were looking to just get started with Facebook Reels and you had nowhere to start, you have no idea what to do, go over to a website called answerthepublic.com. And I've showed you this process before, but this is a really cool and helpful process. Type in your niche or your area of opportunity, area you want to create content and help people. For example, let's do how to start a blog. Let's say you wanted to promote web hosting. How to start a blog. I'm going to hit enter here, and we can use this as ideas for content. And so what we're going to do is we're obviously going to wait for these questions to pop up. We can also do the same thing where if we compared and contrasted different blogging platforms or web hosting platforms. But if we look at this for data, we could say how to start a blog for free, and then show people the process of starting a blog for free. How to start a blog and get paid, how to start a blog with no money. And you could go through and simply just answer these questions. How to start a food blog, and then tell people, hey, look, if you want more information, if you want more assistance on how to start a food blog, go ahead and message me. Click the messenger button below to message me, and then you could potentially start making money. This, in my opinion, is a much better way if you are looking for a way to break into short format videos in 2022. I think this is the opportunity for you. And you simply, if you wanted to promote web hosting, for example, you could go over to bluehost.com, and become an affiliate for Bluehost or whatever web hosting platform that you feel comfortable with. But you can do this with anything. Now, the only drawback to using something like Answer the Public is you can only submit 2 questions per day, 2 questions every 24 hours. If you want more flexibility, try something like Ahrefs. With Ahrefs, you can get started $7 for 7 days. And let me just show you that real quick. So we could go to like Ahrefs like this. And as you can see here right on the screen, get started, $7, 7 days, just like that. And then you want to make sure that you cancel right away so that you're not charged the $99 or whatever it goes to afterwards. But once I log in, I'm going to show you another way to potentially find keywords. And we're going to use actually the same keywords here. So I'm going to sign in and I'll be right back with you. All right, so here I am back in Ahrefs. And what we can do is we can type in like how to start a blog. Now, you want to make sure that this is something that lots of people are going to be interested in. It wouldn't make sense for you to create content that nobody cares about. So you want to make sure that you are looking for those types of keywords. But what we could do here is we could simply create content showing people how to start a food blog. And then within that food blog, you could talk about all the things that they need. So the step 1 would be to get a domain name and web hosting. Tell them to click the link in the description or reach out to you personally if you want a list of the best web hosting platforms, and then you can refer them over to Bluehost. The next step would be to get a WordPress theme and install WordPress. So walk them through the process and show them, how to find keywords and things of that nature, all within a minute or 30 seconds, and then tell them to contact you if you want more assistance. And then you can actually send them a link to your landing page. Maybe you have a blueprint or a step-by-step guide that shows them how to start a blog. And then within that, you would actually have links out to different affiliate programs. For example, if we're showing people how to start a blog, you'd recommend web hosting, you'd recommend premium WordPress themes, you could recommend something like SEMrush, which is a keyword research tool that has an affiliate program. You could recommend, different cameras if they're going to be taking pictures for their blog. There's just lots of opportunity. And this is, in my opinion, is the absolutely golden opportunity that you want to take advantage of in 2022. Guys, if this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Also, click the link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.